There is a story to every deal. Pay very close attention to this. I always have one slide out of this presentation that I really, really want you to get. If you get something from today, right? This is what I want you to get today, okay? You're watching a segment from a Peter Harris live event. Join us for our next live event. Register at commercialpropertyadvisors.com/live. There is a story to every deal. Every commercial real estate deal has multiple stories. And the better you understand the stories, the better the deal you can create. Okay? So every deal has this, the seller has a story. Okay? The property has a story, and the buyer, that's you, has a story. And the more of the story you get, the better the deal you end up with. Now, if you come across a deal and there is no story, like most on LoopNet, right? Most on the MLS, don't buy it. Your deal needs to have a story. If it doesn't have a story, most likely it is not a good deal. So you need to find out what that story is. I'm going to share with you how to find that story. But first, let me ask you this. Which story is the most important to get? Okay, which story? Okay, the seller story, the property story, or your story? Put in the chat. Which one is the most important? Ever wondered how pro investors find and analyze deals for maximum profit? How to secure financing even if you're a beginner? Or attract and keep tenants for steady passive income? Commercial Real Estate for Beginners delivers simple, actionable steps to master it all. Tap the link on the top corner for your free copy today. Here's the answer. The seller story drives the deal, okay? The seller story drives the deal. And here are the two questions you must ask, okay? Two questions. Whenever you're dealing with the seller directly. Now, not as easy as I'm saying, talk to the seller directly. You have to learn how to find off-market deals like we do. But when you do, here's the first question. You're going to ask the seller, why are you selling this property and why now? Okay. And number two, what are you planning to do once you sell? Those two questions give you a whole lot of information that allow you to structure the story. Okay. When he shares with you why he's selling, you need to store that in your brain and give that answer to your coach. When he tells you what he's planning to do with the proceeds once he sells, store that, write it down, give it to your coach. All right. Because what we do is we take the seller story and we reverse engineer it back into the offer. Okay, so we structure the deal around the seller's motivation. Of course, we can have another Tuesday night to talk about that, but that's what coaching is about. I don't expect you to know how to do that. That's what we do. We need you to get the story for us so we can tell you how to make money from the deal. Okay, that's what we do. That's how all of our coaches and myself are trained. Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.